Hey there, Service Pros. This is Christian from the Workiz product team. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create recurring jobs. Recurring jobs in Workiz are a great way to save yourself some time. Instead of manually creating a new job for a recurring service you know you're going to provide down the road, you can use a simple feature to easily create and schedule recurring jobs all at once. Let's get started. One thing to point out from the jump is that recurring jobs can only be created from a new job. You won't be able to create a recurring job from an existing job on your account. So let's do that. Go ahead and select Add New from the sidebar navigation and then choose Job. We'll enter the client's name, then fill in some job details like the job type and the job source, and include a brief description for this job. We'll head over to the schedule field and add in a date for this first job. We'll say it's next week from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. After adjusting the date details for this first job, you'll need to select this link right here, Set Recurring Schedule. We'll need to do a few things here. First, you'll need to choose the frequency for this recurring job. It can be daily, weekly on a specific day of the week, monthly on a specific day of the month, and a few other options for you to choose from. You can even create a custom schedule if you want. We'll go ahead and say that this is a monthly job. This next field is going to ask you to decide when to stop scheduling this recurring job. It can be after a specific number of jobs or after a specific date. Up to you. Last, you'll have to decide when these jobs should be created on your account. We'll go ahead and say 7 days so that we have a clear idea of what our schedule looks like a week out. We'll hit save once we're done. Next, we'll have to decide who's going to perform this initial job. We'll assign it to a tech and then hit submit at the bottom of the page. Now let's take a look at how you'll easily be able to manage jobs in this recurring schedule. Go ahead and open that job you just created. From the Details tab, you'll notice a new line above the client details. This will indicate that this job is part of a recurring schedule. This is job number 1 in the sequence, which means it's the parent job. Scroll down past the job details to find your recurring schedule. Here, you'll see all of the jobs that are expected to be booked as part of this recurring schedule. Once they're created, each job will carry its own job ID so that you can easily manage them individually as needed. Workiz also lets you assign a tech to a recurring schedule. If you're pretty sure one of your techs will be available for this recurring job every time it comes up, you can assign one of your team members to all of the jobs on this recurring schedule. To do that, go ahead and open one of the future job pages. You may need to hit Create Now to access the job page if it hasn't already been created. From that job page, scroll down and assign the tech you want for this recurring job. You'll see a pop-up asking you if you want to make this change for all the future jobs on this schedule. If you do, go ahead and hit Yes. Scroll down to the recurring schedule again, and now you'll see that the same team member is listed for all the future jobs on this recurring schedule. And that's it. You're all set to save yourself some time with recurring jobs. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help improve your growing business. And as always, if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.